at the moment he's just kind of trying to get everything put back in so that the vehicle is drivable. I don't know if you can see it on there, but we now have a zip tie holding the boot on.
Yes.
Confidence level that zip tie is going to hold, I'm at 2. Where are you at? I got 2%.
I'll go
5. Michael's going 5. I'm going 2. Jay doesn't get a vote. My vote was I think we should try and locate locally some worm drive clamps, like basically oversized hose clamps. All right, same garage, same truck, new day. We left you off over the weekend and it was raining like crazy out there, and today it is not raining. So we're gonna go ahead and get this guy wrapped up today. We've got Michael's Lexus still put up on the jack. We're gonna get the CV boots finished. We didn't get to finish them Saturday. When I left you off, we still had, I think, a zip tie holding everything together. Don't do it with zip ties, that's a bad idea. But we were able to go out and locate some, whoa, I'm falling over. Jay'd be proud. We were able to go out and locate some worm drive clamps locally, a little place called Parks Auto. Go to them, I love them guys. So we're gonna finish getting this put together today. The driver's side has the worm clamps on it at the moment. I think we're gonna try and put the passenger side together like you're supposed to with the real clamps. I don't know if we're gonna be successful. On the last one, the clamp itself failed. I don't think, I didn't put it together so I didn't fail, but I don't think my man Michael here failed. I think it just had kind of a, I don't know if it was defective clamp or we're just not really 100% sure how to get him in there without breaking something. So we're gonna try it again on this side. But I just thought I'd give you a quick little spin here and show you where everything's out. So these are the worm style clamps that we located. And again, I mean, basically they're just kind of oversized hose clamps, or this one is just a normal size hose clamp and this one is an oversized, however you like to look at it. So we've got things put back together. You can see the worm clamp on the boot there itself. The only thing that kind of concerns us is we're looking at the clearance right down in here. I think it's going to be fine, but we have yet to see. Beyond that, everything is pretty much back together on the driver's side. You know, we've still got one heck of a mess going on here, but that's what you do when you work on cars. You make giant messes. So I guess really the only thing we have to do over here, we need to get, you can see that kind of random clamp that's still floating on there. That's one of the broken clamps. We need to get that cut off, and then we'll be good. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. You can see Michael's kind of squatted down in there. Really the only thing we've done so far is we kind of took the dust cap off here so that you can access that. We're going. At this point, really it's only, you know, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 bolts before the axle is out sitting on the ground. So with no further ado, we'll go ahead and get rolling. Right. So it's apart, and it's yucky. And he's walking around with the yucky part, so it can drip grease all over the place.
No, most of this is just pitting. It's not.
All right, so there is that side of the axle back together. We went ahead and used the worm drive clamp on that there, and then on the smaller one we used the clamp that comes with it. And we used this fancy dancy schmancy tool that we're still not really sure how to work. So this little clamp here, like that thing, that's so sharp it'll make someone else bleed after it cuts you without even touching them. It's amazingly sharp. So I guess let us know in the comments how are you supposed to use that tool so that that doesn't hang out, so that everybody in the whole world bleeds working on your truck after this. Because this one over here, that one's got a little bit, well, my phone doesn't want to focus. There it is. That one's got a little bit hanging out there too. Like, we got them smashed in there. We got everything doing okay. I want to say that it's not going to come apart, but it's going to cut everyone. And I don't like bleeding. So we've got that all taken care of. Now Michael is down here. Michael's just kind of getting that that inner cup cleaned out, get that all taken care of, see if I can get you a tiny bit of a view there, and we'll get her back together. All right, so we done got it back together. We're getting the tires put back on it now, and then we're gonna drop it down on the ground. We've got, I think, a little bit of body trimming to do, because now he's got these great big tall tires on it. And let's face it, y'all, it's a Lexus. It's not supposed to have big tires on it, so we're gonna start cutting. But that's on there. The axles are in. I don't know if we can get you a shot from down here. Everything's together. Everything is clean and beautiful. And maybe we'll get you some video of cutting the bumper off. How do you like that? And just like that, it is back out of the garage under its own power, rubbing the tires everywhere. Tires rub everywhere. So the tires are rubbing. The body mount back there, which everybody expected, right? We got to do a body mount chop. And then up here, they're rubbing on the inner fender liner. So, do you like this bumper? Do you like this pretty bumper? There's a little bit of a hole in it there, but yeah, it's not going to look like this in a minute. Enter orange tape. How high do you want to cut it? I don't know, put tape on it. You think it looks good there? I don't know, put tape on it. We're cutting the front off the truck.
There, that way you can sit here and you can...
Yeah, you can hold the death wheel and I can just kick you and...
Right? I have the best ideas. You don't want that.
Not today.
Not today.
Not today. I've had enough.
All right, Michael, confidence level? Where you at?
Too late to worry about it now. That's what I load up. That's why it's all hanging.
All right, we're gonna keep cutting. You'll see a little more in a minute. Yeah, I don't know. That's not so bad. See if Micah can finish taking it apart. Got some solid metal chunks hanging off down there that we might have to cut off or figure out what to do with. Where do those bumpers and supports go to? Do they support anything? Okay, well now you can't hear anything anyway, so enjoy. Whee! What did you say? What did you call that? Yee boys?
That's what a sheik on the Yee board. That's true.
I'm not so upset with this. Y'all tell us in the comments, what do you think? We actually used a death wheel and just cut the bumper off, right? And we cut a little bit of the bumper support like you saw. We're gonna have to show you some of this outside, but I'm not upset about this. You tired yet?
All of it.
Oh.
All tired.
All right, so. Oh yeah, bitches! Skid plates are in. This was an absolute nightmare. We ended up, so they give you, and you can see, if I can get my finger in there, that down there, okay? That's a spacer. So you're supposed to space this thing out, and they give you long spacers. Well, okay, well, if you have a differential drop, use this spacer. If you have a no differential drop, use a different spacer. We used those spacers. That's what we did. Custom spacers, custom fit, custom built. But the RCI skid plates are now on the Lexus. And they're tight and they look fantastic. The bumper still looks silly as hell, but I love it. I just love it. And I'm picking pieces off of it. Look. Whew. And we're tired. I mean, we're tired. I guess now we're gonna try and put some recovery points on it. Oh, look, they're up there. There they are. I think I can see them. I don't know if I can see them. Somewhere over there. Okay, bye. I think, when did we start? Noon?
But,
Call it noon? Yeah. We started about noon. Had a lot of work. We had a burger, though. We had some Bad Daddy burgers. The Bad Daddy burgers, I got the, what is it called? I think it's called the Badass Burger, the Big Ass Burger. It's some kind of ass burger. And it's got deep fried bacon on it, right? It's got breaded deep fried bacon. It looks like a chicken finger. And it's so good. So, Michael, pulling the truck out right now. We just finished installing these here hooks. We got the skid plates on there. Look at that. And we cut the bumper up like some idiots. And I gotta tell you, I really like that. I think that looks sexy as hell with that skid plate down there and the way the bumper's cut. I'm happy with that. Now, it ain't my truck. I don't have to be happy with it. That dude's got to be happy with it, right?
yes, sir.
So we worked on it most of the day. Said all we're gonna do is change CV boots. Lies. So we worked on it all day Saturday.
Yeah.
We changed 2 CV boots, mostly. Today we got the other 2 CV boots. We cut the bumper apart. We put the skid plates on. What else did we do? We put them the recovery points.
Yep, we put SRQ recovery points on it.
SRQ.
That's it, as far as I know.
That's it. We suck. It took us 9 hours to do that. But it's done. And I'm happy. Like, not only am I happy, I think Michael's happy.
Oh, yeah.
I think the truck looks, I don't know if you could call it fantastic. Truck looks very cool. I'm really happy with the way that turned out. And now Michael is moving out of state and I'll never get to see the truck wheeling. So, I don't know. What does Tavares say? Make questionable choices, right? That is questionable choices. Thank you, Michael. I'll kind of try and show him down there while he's fighting with a losing battle. Thank you for bringing your truck over here so that we can play and have a good time and cut the bumper off of it. And this is good for stories for like the rest of your life. There was just one time me and this fat guy, we cut the bumper. We just took it, cut it right off. So, guess that's it. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and click the like and the subscribe and all the things, right? Click all the things because woo-wee. And yeet, yeet, boys.